Hello everyone, welcome to HiDevs community streamlit series. So today's topic is SMS spam detection. As the name suggests, it is predicting SMS spam comments. So we will go through the inputs and we will enter our input, enter our text, enter our message, enter our comment, anything we can. So I have copied one text from internet. Just I will pasting it. See what's the input is. We are providing a number, Roger Burn message. We tried to call you. They replied to our SMS for free Nokia mobile. See, the message itself seems to be spam. Let's check whether our model is predicting correct or not. See, your SMS is spam. The model predicts it correctly. Now we need to change our input. So here we are writing hello everyone. Let's see whether our model predicts correct or not. Say the model predicted your SMS is not spam, so the model predict it correctly. So you can go through as per your convenience, write inputs whatever you want. If you want to explore the files, how files code, you can go to file section and you can see the code behind this, how the model is predicting, how the model is trained, which model we have used. You can go through this file section app.py file.
So, who is HiDevs? Before explaining about HiDevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned company. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to HiDevs, who is HiDevs? So HiDevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, HiDevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.